Connecting your Sceptre monitor involves understanding four primary connection types, each with distinct capabilities and use cases. HDMI is the most common connection, supporting both audio and video in a single cable. DisplayPort is preferred for gaming due to higher refresh rates. USB-C provides an all-in-one solution with power delivery, while VGA is a legacy option for older systems. HDMI comes in multiple versions with increasing capabilities. HDMI 2.1 supports the highest resolutions and refresh rates, making it suitable for modern gaming and 8K content. All HDMI types use a 19-pin connector design. DisplayPort offers superior performance for gaming with lower input lag and higher bandwidth. The connector features a locking mechanism to prevent accidental disconnection, making it ideal for professional and gaming setups. USB-C provides the most convenient connection with power delivery and data transfer in a single cable. VGA is a legacy analog connection limited to 1080p resolution and requires separate audio cables. The connection process is straightforward. Always power off both devices before connecting cables to prevent damage. Power on the monitor first, then your computer for proper detection. For Windows systems, access display settings by right-clicking the desktop. Windows typically auto-detects monitors, but you can click Detect if needed. Choose your preferred display mode, duplicate for mirroring, extend for additional workspace, or second screen only. macOS offers seamless monitor detection with hot pluggable support. Access display settings through System Preferences, where you can drag display icons to arrange your workspace, adjust resolution and refresh rates, and enable or disable display mirroring as needed. Successfully connecting your Sceptre monitor depends on choosing the right cable for your specific needs and following proper setup procedures for your operating system. When your Sceptre monitor shows no signal, start with these essential troubleshooting steps. First, verify your cable connections are secure and the cable itself is not damaged. Next, check the input source selection on your monitor. Many Sceptre monitors have multiple inputs, so ensure you've selected the correct one that matches your cable connection. If the hardware connections are correct, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of display detection issues. For resolution or refresh rate problems, always use your monitor's native resolution for the best performance. Check that your cable supports the desired refresh rate and resolution combination. Always match your cable capabilities to your desired performance. For high refresh rate gaming, DisplayPort typically provides better performance than HDMI. Audio issues are common with monitor connections. HDMI carries audio automatically, but DisplayPort may require audio driver updates or manual audio device selection in your system settings. For optimal performance, always use high-quality cables rated for your desired resolution and refresh rate. Keep your graphics drivers updated and consider your future upgrade plans when selecting connection types. By following these troubleshooting steps and optimization practices, you can ensure a smooth, high-performance connection with your Sceptre monitor that will serve you well for years to come.